I welcome you all to the lecture 3 of data structures. So today we are going to study about arrays as we have done the theory part. So now let's begin with the arrays. So this is for creating a main class automatically. If we don't create, then we have to make it on our own. So here you can see my main class has been automatically created with the help of this shortcut. Actually, this is not a shortcut. Yeah, but kind of. Okay. So as I told you, to make okay to initialize an array, first step it is how we initialize data structure name like integer. I told you there are many data structures. Let me list also here. Integer, these are the data types supported by Python, and these are primitive ones. So you want to know the difference between primitive and another one, so you can I will uploading on this also regarding this video in my special course for Java. Integer, character, float, as I told you also earlier lectures. Here we are making of an int and array name. Let us give us nums is equals to new int and array size we will give 10. Okay. Semicolon is the essential thing of Java. Okay. So as I told you the syntax earlier also. Okay, for those who have not seen my previous video, can refer to this, and here it is the syntax. I should highlight it. This is the syntax which I have used. Okay, so let's get back to the Eclipse. Okay, so we were initializing, then how to add. We can add by indicating the index. Suppose nums 0 have to contain value 10. Okay, semicolon. Nums 1 has to contain the value 12, nums 2 have to contain the value 17, and so on. We can name it. But if you are little, if you have some sequence to enter, suppose we have to enter any sort of sequence or user input, and we cannot take individually input, so we can use a for loop. For loop will contain int I is equals to 0, I is the index, till I equals to nums. Okay, so it is your wish if you wanted to take the length that has been given by the user or you wanted to take for yourself. Like if I wanted to take 5. So here we can take as the input. And for taking the input, we have to use the scanner class. I will name it as scanner SC and new scanner system dot in. Okay, and this is showing green line, sorry, red underlined. So here we will import, and if you sometimes you're not able to know which library to import, suppose I don't know which to, then I will hover over it and see it is telling to import scanner java.util.scanner. If you don't want to only call scanner, then you can call the whole, you can import the whole library using star. Here's some silly mistake system. Then I will control S. And if I wanted to take in the scanner, then I will take a in nums I equals to sc next int. And this will take in the input for my 5 indexes from 0 to 4. So this is how we can take in a unique array. So let us make this as 5 and only take in this, and then we will print step to printing, sorry, this is actually step 3, printing the array elements. Okay, step 2 was to fill in the arrays with desired data. Okay, so here we have seen, and now we will print. Again, we will use the for loop. Now, I will tell you one technique with which you can print all the elements without giving them particular index. Let me tell you. Initialize a data type, then give a name, temporary name, then write in the array name. Like here it is nums, and then shortcut one more for system, like system dot out dot println. So instead of writing such big line, we can use a shortcut sys out control space. Then you will get automatically. Okay, and ln for getting next line. So we don't want to print in the next line, we want it with space. So let us run our program and check out how it is working. So here is a console window and we will enter 5 input values. Suppose 12, 13, 15, 1, 9. So here we have printed with spaced as per the requirement. Okay, so this was the basic of how to initialize, fill in the values and print the values in an array. So I hope you have understood the basics of array. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below. I am open to all sort of doubts. Thank you.